Welcome to the video on understanding about the paragraph certifications for the ANDA application. ANDA is abbreviated new drug application and it is done for generic product application for the US market. ANDA application is done to the US FDA for getting the approval for marketing generic product, and generic product application or ANDA application is required to be done with some certifications which gives idea regarding the type of application with the certification like paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3 and paragraph 4. This paragraph certification gives clear idea or clear information or details to the US FDA that whether the generic applicant or generic product application is infringing the patents or non-infringing the patents, or whether the patents are expired or not expired, and also whether the generic applicant will wait for patents to expire for marketing the generic product. So this is the generalized idea about the patent certification. Now we will start with the video, and I request you to be till the end with this video so that you will have clear understanding about the paragraph certification, and you will not forget about the details of para 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will also learn about the differences. You will also learn about the certifications, whether patent is expired, not expired, exclusivity is there, litigation will happen or not, or whether the generic application is first to file or not. So all this information is there in the video. So let's start with the simple image. See, one image I have given here, and this image gives you the four paragraphs: para 1, para 2, para 3 and para 4. So in para 1, 2 and 3 you can see no patents. So para 1, 2, 3 no patents are there, but it is not exactly like that. The differences we will see in the upcoming slides, and here you can see the litigation. So in para 4 litigation will be there. In para 1, 2 and 3 litigation will not be there, but in para 4 litigation may happen or litigation will be there. In para 1 patents are expired, in para 2 also patents are expired, in para 3 patents are not expired, but the applicant will wait till the patent expiry for getting the marketing approval or for commercialization. And in para 4 the patents are there, patents are not expired, and the applicant wants to sell the medicine or market the medicine before the expiry of the patents also. So in upcoming slide we will see those differences. In the context of ANDAs, that is abbreviated new drug application, the US has given some para certifications through the Hatch-Waxman Act, which outlines differences between different types of patent certifications. For the A&D applicants or generic product applicants for filing the product to the US FDA. These certifications are called as or known as paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3 and paragraph 4 certifications. So paragraph 1 or para 1, no relevant patents are listed. So you should go to the orange book and see there which type of patents are there, whether there is any patent or not, what is the expiry period if patent is there, how many patents are there. All this information is required to be studied in detail. Para 1 filing means no relevant patents are listed. Paragraph 2 means relevant patents are expired. Paragraph 3 means patents are there, patents are valid, that means not expired, and the generic approval or generic product approval will be delayed until expiration. And once the patent is expired, then the generic applicant will get the approval and then generic applicant will manufacture and sell the medicine in the market. So this is para 3. Para 4, patents are there, patents are not expired, but the patents may be invalid, patents may be unenforceable, or not infringed by the generic applicant. Generally, para 4 filing is done for first to file type of filing and to get exclusivity of first to file, and often the first to file leads to litigation with the innovator. So this is regarding the para 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in detail we will see paragraph 1 certification. There are no relevant patents listed. The A&E applicant states that no patents related to the reference product drug or reference listed drug, that is RLD, are listed in the FDA's approved drug products with therapeutic equivalence evaluations, commonly called as Orange Book. So Orange Book is the main thing here to see whether patents are there or not. And what are the implications of para 1 certifications? See, if there are no patents to be contested, the FDA can proceed with the approval of the ANDA without the need of any patent dispute. No litigation is there as there are no listed patents. The patents may be expired or patents may not be there. Anything can happen. Para 2 certification. The patents are expired. The ANDA applicants certifies that patent listed in the Orange Book has already expired. And what are the implications of para 2 certification? See, as the patents are expired, there is no need for patent litigation and FDA can proceed with the approval of the generic drug. So in para 1 and 2 patents are not there, or para 2 patents are already expired. So whenever the AND applicant is filing through para 1 or 2, that time US FDA knows that, or FDA goes to proceed, or FDA can proceed with the approval of the ANDA after its review is completed and there is no patent dispute, no patent litigation. Coming to para 3, para 3 means patents are there and patents are valid. The ANDA product may infringe or may not infringe, that is different thing, but ANDA applicant is going to wait till the patent is expired. So wait for the patent expiry is the main thing to remember for para 3. The A&E applicant acknowledges that the listed patent is still valid but will wait for its expiration before marketing the generic drug. So one thing here is to understand about the para 3 certification is that then why A&E applicant wait for the patent expiry? Why A&E applicant is not going to uh, file the ANDA after expiry? So what is the main advantage? See, the advantage is that you can file the ANDA, you can complete all the review process and query response, and then it will be tentatively approved. And once the patents related to that product are expired, that time you will get the full approval. So that review period and application period will be completed when the patent validity is ongoing. Implications: the FDA can approve the ANDA, but the generic manufacturer must wait until the patent expire before launching the generic product. This is common strategy when the patent expiry is close. See, many of the generic applicants develop the generic product. Those generic products for which the patent expiry is nearer. Generally, they do back calculation for the patent expiry time and they start the development so that they can save the review time and they can have the approval once the patents are expired. Now coming to the paragraph 4. Para 4 is tough to file as litigation will happen because para 4 certification is generally first to file type of application and uh, patents are there which are not expired, and also in para 4 certification A&E applicant is not going to wait till the patent expiry. So patent invalidity or non-infringement will be there. The A&E applicant claims that the listed patent is either invalid, unenforceable, or that the generic drug will not infringe the patent. That means either you make the non-infringing formulation or you invalidate the innovator's patent. But invalidating the innovator's patent is very difficult and very tough. So para 4 certifications are done with the non-infringing type of formulation. Implications for the para 4 certification. This certification typically leads to patent litigation. The A&E applicant must notify the patent holder and the patent holder then has 45 days to file a patent infringement lawsuit against the generic applicant. If the innovator or reference product manufacturer or the patent holder do the patent infringement lawsuit, then the FDA will stay for 30 months for the generic applicant. That means after filing a patent infringement lawsuit, the FDA approval is stayed or delayed, you can say, for 30 months or until the litigation is resolved. So this 30-month stay period will be there if the innovator file a patent infringement lawsuit. When the generic applicant files the product through para 4, then the generic applicant has to notify the patent holder about the application. within the 45 days of filing. Potential benefit of para 4 filing. Potential benefit is first to file or non-infringing type of formulation. The first generic company to file the paragraph 4 ANDA can be eligible for 180 days of market exclusivity, allowing them to market their generic product without competition from other generic manufacturers during this period. So many of the applicants will be there for first to file, and FDA will take these applications, will review the applications, and then will give the first to file to the applicant who has completed all the review process. And if out of, for example, 10, 20, 30 applicants, one applicant get the first to file approval, then that applicant will get exclusivity of marketing the product for 180 days, that is 6 months, and no other applicant will be there, no other applicant or no other product will be there in the market, or generic product will be there in the market for marketing. So in that period, only the innovator will be there in the market, and the first to file ANDA holder will be there in the market for selling. So they can have the benefit of 6 months of marketing exclusivity or market exclusivity. But it is not that much simple to get the first to file approval. It involves lot of litigation, lot of query response. Some studies are also needed to support your application. So this is regarding the paragraphs, para 1, 2, 3 and 4 for ANDA applications or ANDA filing. These certifications allows the generic manufacturers to navigate the patent landscape of the original applicant or original drug and pursue market entry through the ANDA pathway. So this is the information regarding paragraph certifications for ANDA applications, and I hope you might have understood the ANDA certifications para 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now you will be able to answer the questions related to these paragraphs. Thank you for watching the video, and let's meet you soon with such kind of informative video. Thank you.